Hey guys, it's Russell back, and on today's video I'm going to show you how to replace the wheel cylinder on your Chevy Silverado. This is a 1989 Chevy K1500 Silverado, and I showed you guys on the last video how to do the brake shoes and springs and all that. So this is going to be a video just on removing the wheel cylinder, what it looks like from the back, etc., etc. So first thing I'm going to do is remove the parking brake cable. I showed you guys how to do that the easy way. I'm going to shift this over just a little bit, and we know from our procedure last time that I'm just going to take a pair of pliers and remove the hold down springs. These things are pretty rusted. Now, you may be saying, why am I going to change the shoes? Well, I'm going to show you in a minute what cracked pads look like. So just like we did last time, I'm going to fold or get this off the little stud right here. That way I can take the little spring, take that right off, and then as I showed you last time, this entire assembly comes right off. That is a cracked pad or cracked shoe. I keep calling these pads. I'm going to give you guys a closer up look of this in a minute. Alright, so I'm just going to take a wire brush, and there's a lot of dirt on this backing plate. None of the hardware will be reused. Anytime you do brakes, you should do new hardware. Let me go get a smaller brush. Alright, now I'm going to take the master cylinder loose. You're going to need a 9/16 for the line, and I'm going to break it loose. You know, this whole video should be bloopers. That's not good. When the line moves like that, you want to be real careful. So I'm just going to move it back and forth. This fluid is old and nasty, so we're just going to let it sit there and drip while I take the master cylinder off with these two 10mm bolts. That's it. And the fluid in here is disgusting. I can already see it. Alright, so I'm going to go get our other master cylinder. I'm going to clean this up a little bit. Slide it in there. Put our two bolts in here. Alright, so if you want to know how the easiest way to put on the brake shoe assembly off the vehicle, go back and look at my video on doing the drum brakes. But at this point, pull the masking tape off. Alright, so we've got our new wheel cylinder on there, and I'll show you the back of it if I can get it. It's just the two 10mm bolts and the 9/16 nut on the brake line. So the next thing I'm going to do now is just I'm going to gravity bleed it, and then we'll test fit the drum.